So very important point here. What is a good quality and what is not a good quality? His father could see all the good qualities in his son. But what is a good quality? Generally, all the parents they see only good in their children. But that is sentimentalism. It has no meaning. This is the example, the son was blind and mother used to say, Padma Lochana, Prabhupada says. He said, yes, parents' affection is blind. So they cannot discriminate. This is good or this is bad. So then, Maharaj Nabi is not speaking blindly. He could see, because he has to enthrone the next emperor of the world, he could see all the good qualities in his son. Therefore, he named Rishabha, correct? So what is good, what is bad? How do you define them? We can't just go by parents' statement. That's meaningless. So there has to be, in morality also they have this problem. How do you define finally good and bad? Now somebody will say something is good, some other person will say something is good. So Krishna solves this riddle in the Bhagavad Gita. He says that based on the modes of nature you are situated, you will determine what is good, what is bad. Okay? Based on the modes. And the people say, in my opinion, your opinion has no value. It is dependent on the modes in which you are situated. Sometimes people make big philosophy. This is I feel good, this is I feel bad. No value, because you are completely governed. Because you are in Maya, your philosophy is also Maya. Correct? So that is called Mayavadi. Because he is thinking, it is like that. Prabhupada said, because he is Maya, he doesn't know his thinking is also Maya. Therefore, we have to accept the knowledge coming in the Vedas. Perfect. Because we are governed by the three modes, we cannot determine what is good and what is bad. We have no capacity to do that. We have no right to do that. Just like a patient in the hospital has no right to determine what medicine is to take. He is not allowed. A prisoner in the jail, he is not allowed to determine what is good or what is bad for him. He is told to do what is, he has to do it. Hospital, he is told to do, he has to do it. Similarly, we cannot and we should not, neither we have the right to determine what is good or what is bad. No. Correct? Because we are conditioned. We can know I am conditioned. That requires little humility and little common sense. We are conditioned. So what is good or bad for me, I cannot decide. Doctor decides. A prison head decides. Or in mental asylum, then the head decides. We can't decide. We can't decide. Doctor, what should I do? We can't decide. He has to decide. So this good and bad definition, therefore Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Ye Shastra Vidim Usirjya, who do not take advice from the scriptures, Vartate Kamakarinaha, on their own opinion, this is good, I feel I should do that, and this is bad, I should not do that. In their own opinion, Vartate Kamakarinaha. Shastra Vidim Usirjya. What is Shastra Vidhi? What is good? What is bad? Finally, Shastra is giving guidance. Every angle, Shastra gives guidance. This is good, this is bad. This is good, this is bad. Correct? That is Shastra Vidhi. Okay? Do like this. That is good. You don't do like that. That is bad. Shastra is giving the Vidhi. Vidhi means basically good and bad. Do like this, don't do like that. That is called Vidhi. This is giving direction. So, Ye Shastra Vidim Usrajya, Krishna says, to give up the direction of the scriptures. Vartate Kamakarinaha, their own act on their own opinion. I feel this is good and this is bad. Naja Siddhim Apnoti, they will never achieve any perfection. Na Shantim, never any peace. Na Param Gatim, forget about going back to God. Now, this is not only applicable to individual, it is applicable to the whole world also collectively. What is happening today? You see, so many people are giving opinion. You open a newspaper, open any, no, this should be like that. Everybody saying, no, this should be like that. Giving so many opinions. Correct? Vartate Kamakarinaha. They're all governed by their own minds. Correct? Therefore, world is lost. World is lost. Therefore, Krishna says to Arjuna, if you do not follow me, Arjuna, you will be lost. Not only Arjuna, whole world is lost today. Because we are not bothered to follow what is good or bad as per the advice of Krishna. And we are making our own opinion. Oh, this is good for me and this is bad for me. Go to hell. We are lost. So you have to be very careful actually, that we do not give up. So therefore Arjuna, whole chapter then dedicates to this question only. When Arjuna hears this, in the end of 16th chapter, or 15th, which chapter this question comes? Then Arjuna asked to Krishna this question, my dear Lord, I have one question. That chapter is on divisions of faith. It is which chapter? 16th or 17th? 17th chapter. Whole chapter is on this. So Krishna, you just say that the people do not follow you and they imagine and they do whatever they want, they go to hell. It's no use. So my question is this: what if somebody is doing something with great faith and devotion, but it is not what you told? What is their destination? So Krishna spends the whole chapter clarifying. He says, they may say that I believe in this and I do that, but that is based on Maya. Based on how much he is in Maya. Sattva-guna means little Maya, Rajoguna means more Maya, Tamoguna means full Maya. Correct? They are not independent in their convictions. He is feeling, I am feeling like that, but that I feeling isn't governed by modes. Correct? And depending on whatever degree of Maya they have been in, full Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Sattva-guna, their feelings, their conviction, their determination, all will get covered by that and they will be lost. Correct? Krishna said they will be lost. So Krishna explains. Those who are Sattva-guna, generally they may go to Devata worships. Shuddha Sattva means they follow Krishna. Sattva-guna is also Maya. Correct? All three guna, three modes of material nature mean three levels of Maya. One level of Maya. And Rajoguna, they worship the Danavas. And Tamoguna, they worship ghost. And they follow all the rules and regulations, what they can understand. He said, yes, so they go like that. And there's three divisions. Krishna keeps developing that. So therefore, we should understand this point that when Maharaj Nabi is making a determination, Rishabha, his son is Rishabha. It is not based like that. Rishabha, Nabi is guided by the sages. And he is seeing, yes, these are good qualities as Krishna has determined in the scriptures. Therefore Prabhupada says we should be Shastra Chakshusha. In our life we make any decision based on the scriptures, not based on our own whims. That is animal life. Animal also whole day, everything he determines by his own whims, whether I like it or not like it. Like even Arjuna was saying, I don't like to fight. That is not the way to discriminate anything. Correct? What does Krishna want? My dear Lord, what do you want? I want the fight. Done. I'll do it. Correct? We should be very, very careful that whatever we do in our life, it is not based on where the impetus is coming from. My likes and dislikes or Krishna's like and dislike. And the whole spiritual life is nothing but the tapasya to transform us from our likes and dislikes to Krishna's likes and dislikes. This transformation is Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness is a process by which we are transformed the condition of my own likes and dislikes and you go to Krishna's likes and dislikes. That's all. Today is my own likes. I like. Therefore, I like. I like eating, I like sleeping, I like mating, I like defending because I am an animal now. Now Krishna likes and dislikes is different. A person is bothered about pleasures of Krishna. Krishna is the enjoyer and I am the participant in his enjoyment. And that is what we have to be trained and transformed to. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.